box made out of styrofoam. So I'm gonna open it now. 3, 2, 1, -1, -2, -3. Open! Come on. Really? I hate this. I hate this. I'm never gonna borrow this in my life. I'm never gonna borrow this. Why? Why? I knew it was something. A mini cell phone? Mom, what is this? Is this a mini cell phone? Wow! Wow! Please give it to me, Ma. Please let me keep this. Please, I need to keep this. I really want to keep it. I want it. I want it.
Just tell what it means.
It's a phone.
And then?
Which I knew, so Ma, can I have this? Okay guys, I'm back. So I turned on the mini iPhone that I really want, and inside came with this little charger without a power bank, because who would attach a power bank to a phone? Ma, why does it only say welcome? Now this is loading. Is it loading? Oh. YouTube. YouTube. I can't believe this. This is actually working. I'm not gonna keep this. Look, it fits in my mouth. It doesn't fit in my nose. It doesn't fit in my belly button. Joke. For a selfie. Wait. Mom, how could you? You hid this from me? How could you, Mom?
Amir, you have Samsung, Amir.